it's in the Air Force Museum. I don't see them complaining. It's in the Air Force Museum. I don't see them complaining. I haven't heard them say send it immediately. So, ang akin lang naman, meron yatang turnover ceremony sa presidente doon. Of course, all the bells have to be returned in its proper place. But maybe, in the kindness of their hearts, maybe they would like to share it to the other brothers and sisters of our country who would like to see the bells also in the National Museum, if they're so kind enough to lend it. Diba? I mean, the Mona Lisa is being lent by the Louvre all over the world so that other people can enjoy such beautiful artifacts. The Egyptian mummies, including Tutankhamen, is even lent all over the world so that other countries like in London and Europe and even the United States, they lend it there, these exhibits, so that other people will also know the history of that era. So I think there's nothing wrong about lending it to the National Museum.